Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the October edition of the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. So if you already know everything there is to know about this box, then as usual I will leave a timestamp in the comment section down below so that you can skip ahead. But if you don't know what this box is, then I'm going to give a brief little description here, but I will also leave all of the more detailed information in the description box down below so that you can check that out at your own leisure. So Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription service from the online beauty retailer Look Fantastic. Now that is a website that sells pretty much everything beauty related, makeup, hair care, skincare, beauty tools, and probably a few things in between. They sell everything from drugstore all the way up to high-end and luxury. So pretty much whatever you're looking for beauty related, if you go to Look Fantastic, there's a good chance you'll find it there. And they also do this beauty box. So this comes in at, I think it's £15 per month on a monthly rolling subscription, but you can reduce the cost of the box if you take out a longer length of subscription. So for example, my boxes cost me £13 a month, and that's because I have a 12-month rolling contract with them. It usually contains 6 beauty products, again ranging from hair care, skincare and beauty tools. And the value of the items is usually around £50 or more. So with all of the number stuff out of the way, let's get into the box. So on the inside of the lid there is usually a quote or some kind of inspirational or motivational saying, and this month is no different. This month we have relax, dream, enjoy, which sounds pretty good to me. Also, I really love this colour this month. How pretty is this colour? Well, for me it is anyway. Inside the box there is usually a little booklet included, and this just tells us what we need to know about the items inside, what they are, how you can use them, retail values and all that kind of good stuff. And there's usually also a couple of little articles inside, often about the brands, but sometimes about current makeup or skincare trends. So it's a nice little accompaniment, and we will be referring to this as we go through the items in the box. On the first page there is also a note from the editor, and that just usually tells us a little bit about the theme of the edit, so we'll just give that a little bit of a read before we get into it. So it says, as the weather gets colder and the days feel darker, our Retreat Edition Beauty Box is here to help you feel cosy and relaxed. That sounds good. This box has been specially curated with products designed for the ultimate self-care evening and a chance to take a moment to yourself amongst those busy days. In this month's Beauty Box edit, we're bringing you an exclusive interview with Balance Me's founders, a must-have weekly spa ritual from eSpa, and the lowdown on By Terry. And without any further ado, let's rip this tissue paper open and see what we've got. So, ooh, this is looking a bit jam-packed. So, this is what we've got. I don't know if you can see all of that. So I'm going to pull out the biggest item first, because it's kind of like the elephant in the room, isn't it? So this is from Glove, and it's a soft hair wrap apparently, which I'm quite excited about. I do have a hair wrap that I got in a FabFitFun box last year, but I've literally only got the one, so when that's in the wash, I kind of don't have one. And I really like using them. So, ooh, that feels really soft. And it's got the Glove branding on there. Just open it up. Basically, you just sort of put it on over your head and then twist and wrap and button it on so that it just sort of wraps around your hair. It even has instructions on the back. I don't know if you can see that, but it just shows you how to do it. So if you're not sure and you get one of these, it does tell you how. So the Glove hair wrap is worth £14.99. Suitable for all hair types, this Glove hair towel is made from innovative microfiber technology that is more gentle than regular cotton towels. It's the hair care accessory you didn't know you needed. I did. I already have one. I know I need this. Ideal for drying hair overnight, locking in hair masks and significantly reducing overall hair drying time. Tilt your head back, apply hair wrap, ensuring all hair is covered, and wrap and secure with elastic. So yeah, really happy to have that in there. Yeah, it's a good start. Next we've got, this makes me happy too. I don't know fully what it is yet, but I like bubble tea. So this is from Bubble Tea, and it is Earl Grey bath tea, and it looks like it's been made especially for the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. Earl Grey bath tea, that sounds a little bit weird, gotta be honest. The idea of soaking myself in tea is a little odd. But I'm definitely curious, and as I said, I like bubble tea products, so already keen to give this a go. So on the back it just says, after a long day, fill your tub with the delicious sweet citrus aromas of this quintessentially British tea. Containing 100 grams of tea infused bath salts, relax and enjoy this exclusive bath time treat. I quite like citrus as well, so that's looking good so far. Let's check the booklet out. Okay, so this is worth £5.99. This innovative bath product provides a delicious scent when dropped into warm running water and is formulated to relieve any aches and pains for the ultimate relaxing treat. Place into warm running water and allow a short time for product to diffuse. A bit like a tea bag. Happy to have that in there. 2 for 2 so far. Okay, so next we've got something from Starskin, and it is the Eye Catcher Smoothing Biocellulose Eye Masks. I like eye masks, so this is another welcome sight for me. Let's have a look and see what the booklet says to see if this is any different to anything else I've ever used. So this is one of 2 products that you could have received. So you could either have had this from Starskin, or you could have had the Beauty Pro Eye Therapy Under Eye Mask, which I've had before, so I'm kind of glad I didn't get that one. It was alright, but I like to try new things, so I'm glad that I've got this one instead. Both of them were worth £4.25. Brighten and rejuvenate your eye area with your eye mask, designed to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and dark circles. Remove eye mask from sachet, discard outer protective layers and apply under the eyes, ensuring they are positioned from the narrow inner to the wider outer. Remove after 15 minutes and massage in remaining serum. So yeah, eye mask, nothing sort of groundbreaking, but again, something that I'm happy to have. This is turning out to be a nice box so far. I really hope I haven't just jinxed it. That's quite weighty. So this is from E-Cooking, and it's the overnight foot cream. I've had a couple of things from E-Cooking, got to admit, haven't got around to using any of them. I know there's one product that I'm probably not going to use because it says something about your face going red and peeling. I can't remember exactly what it was, but I remember every time I look at it I'm like, don't want to know, thank you very much. And then I know I've got a serum which I'm more interested in trying. I just haven't got around to trying yet. But foot cream is definitely something that I'm keen to try. Feet are always something that most people neglect. I am not immune from that. I massively neglect my feet. I buy products every now and then to try and encourage me to take care of them, but it just never seems to happen somehow. So I don't envisage that this is going to change that for me, but it's something that I'm willing to try at the very least. So yeah, let's just see if there's a thing on it. So, oh, it smells, it's quite eucalyptusy, and that's what it looks like. It's kind of like a thick, balmy sort of texture. Oh, definitely that smells like eucalyptus. Let's just pop that lid back on, see what the book says. So this is worth £8.10. Working its magic whilst you sleep, this e-cooking foot cream removes dead skin and moisturises all at once, with a refreshing eucalyptus scent and menthol to soothe and cool the skin. Vegan and dermatologically tested. Massage the cream gently into your feet before you go to sleep. For maximum effectiveness, apply and cover with socks. I'm actually more keen to try that now that I know that it smells like that. I think, oh my gosh, can you imagine if you were feeling ill with a cold and you just put that on? Oh, that would just make me feel so much better. It does remind me of Vicks Vapor Rub. Oh, takes me back to my childhood. Next product is from Balance Me. Come on. And this is the Bakuchiol Smoothing Serum. I've used Bakuchiol Serum before, really enjoyed it, so I'm not unhappy to see this in here. I do still have one, so I'm not sure that I'm going to get around to using it straight away. Does it have a... That's what that looks like when it comes out. So it's quite thin, as a serum should be. So even though it's quite a little tube, a little is going to go a long way. I can definitely tell that just from how far that little dot has spread over my hand. That's got a bit of a herbally sort of scent to it. Quite like that scent actually. But let's just see what the book says. So this is worth £11. Bakuchiol is a 100% natural plant-based retinol alternative, providing all the anti-aging benefits without the irritation and sensitivity. The result? Smoother skin texture, enhanced collagen production and the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. Massage one pump over cleansed skin AM or PM, follow with SPF in the morning. I did know that actually. Bakuchiol is it's a gentler alternative to retinol, so if retinols are something that you're sort of a bit scared of or apprehensive of, which is me, then this is definitely a good sort of alternative. You don't get the sort of retinol uglies as it's known as. So yeah, definitely happy to have that in there, happy to give that a go. And then the last thing is the sneak peek from last month's box, which is from By Terry. So this is the Baume de Rose. This is a gloss though, I think, whereas normally it comes in a pot. I've got a little sample of the pot here, so that's what the little sample normally looks like, and it's just a little like lip balm basically, heavily rose scented though, so I'm keen to see what this looks and smells like. Never had it in the gloss form before. Ooh, oh, that's such a cool sound, isn't it? I'm easily pleased. That's also heavily rose scented, but that's what the wand looks like, so that's cool. So yeah, it's just a clear gloss, nothing super duper exciting, but I do actually quite like the balm. So let's see what the book says. So this is the Baume de Rose flaconnette. It's worth £14. This travel-friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm combines luxury and protection. Infused with shea butter, rose flower wax and vitamin E, it glides onto the lips effortlessly whilst providing a subtle shine, perfect for on-the-go nourishment. Use alone or under lip products for a smooth application. Apply over lipstick for a glossy finish. I would actually probably just use that as a lip balm. As it said, sort of travel friendly. It's something that I'm more likely to want to pop into my handbag as a lip balm as opposed to the little pot thing. It's just less messy and just easier basically. And By Terry is a brand that I don't normally see in subscription boxes, especially on the sort of more affordable end like this one is. So so yeah, that's really nice to see in here, to be honest. So that was everything. Overall, I really like this box this month. I'm really quite happy with it. Every single item in here is something that I'm either excited to use or willing to try. So yeah, really good box. But now it's over to you guys. What do you think of this month's box? Are you as excited by it as I am, or is this a bit of a meh box for you? If you don't already subscribe to this box, is this a box that has maybe tempted you to subscribe? Just let me know in the comments down below. I'm always interested to hear other people's thoughts and opinions. If you've enjoyed this video, then as always, I'd love it if you could just give me a thumbs up. It just really helps to let me know that you're enjoying my content. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if you could hit that subscribe button too. And with all of that being said, I really hope everyone's well and sort of doing okay at the moment. And I will see you all again in another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.